got the perfect torture test for the NOCO Genius Boost completely by accident. I accidentally forgot and left it outside all night. It was a hot day yesterday and then a cold night. So we had extreme heat, extreme cold, and it rained all night and all morning. See, it's wet down in there. Oh yeah, there's water poured out and poured off of it. Yeah, it was soaked. Now we just got to find a vehicle that's really hard to start. Oh, and if you're not convinced that this is a totally insane torture test, I also doused it with the water hose. Okay, so this is going to be a true torture test because we got the van sitting here. Been sitting here for a long time. And long enough to where it's down to 1.7 volts. Yeah, that's not good, is it? Oh, and to make this torture test even worse, when I left it out, I was supposed to be taking it in to charge it up because I used it to start the Kubota diesel. And so I don't know how much charge it has left in it. Took her right up here. Now, before I touch this button, I just want to say, if you have one of these, I do not recommend doing this. I'm torture testing this on purpose. I'm purposely trying to see if I can ruin this by turning it on after it's been rained on all night. If I was trying to take care of this device, I would be waiting like a few days, maybe even a week, before even attempting to do anything with it in hopes that it would dry out and not cause any damage. What I want to try to find out here is if this has been rained on all night, like if you're stuck on the side of the road in the rain and it's getting rained on while you're trying to use it, will it still work? And this has been rained on all night. I can't think of a harder torture test. The battery's almost completely dead. 1.6 volts now. It's been sitting here for months without being turned over. All right, let's see if the smoke comes out. All right, there's not enough battery juice in the battery to make it cycle through here. So it's just not doing anything. It's acting like the battery is completely dead. Apparently 1.6 volts is below its trigger voltage. So I press this button right here to override and force it to start charging. And there it goes. I can hear the dinger in the van, so we're getting power. Holy crap, it started right up! Can you believe that? Isn't that something? About 14.5, it's charging. What hell? I say that's a win. I'm impressed. The GB70, man, left out in the rain all night long. Didn't get charged back up. And the battery completely dead. Big V8 engine. Don't get no better than that. All those years of carrying those big heavy booster boxes around and won't hold their charge for more than a few days. And now we have stuff like this. It's lithium ion. And you just leave it laying around for months. Leave it out in the rain. Leave it in the back of the car in the cold of the winter. And that thing still works. Ain't the future wonderful?